Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out information about restaurants such as address, phone number and opening hours on the DoorDash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below to be directed to the home page. You can find that at the bottom of the screen. That's the first option. After that, select your location at the top, type it in or enable the location tracker function. You can select from these categories at the top. After that, if you have found a restaurant that you are interested in and would like to check out its details, just simply scroll down, tap on this arrow pointing to the right direction, and here, as you can see, there is the place displayed on a map. So if you tap on it, you will be directed to Google Maps, where you can check out the nearby area. You can see the exact address, opening hours if you tap on it, and also the phone number. So if you want to contact them, ask for further details, tap on the call button down below and you will be able to contact them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.